Hashwaban sedang ke Jingelang balakot penlong daka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization CoMSO hamot pran hakakat waitri ulber arja arpun riu ban penpau ke jingkersan yaki jaj ban riu garo haka jingele ban pakhang yaki bomde ki riu lom ban shembentan ni ban yakun hak election MDC sha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC umentri rangba ke jelau Conrad Pynsangeh ula penbena bala Pynsangeh yaki ke election ke bala bu ban penlong haka spotrik yoyong arja arpun riu tat hadu benda penbena da kumoi pan. Kumban syukdo bagi jaj menriu garo ha kamit jong khandai tri uleber arja arpun riu kila sya hiar thma ha ki bamdei riu lum ki bal ngomong ya kejing sya khang thap kerteng US matur mominen UMLA berim ka pulbari ha ka performance ngi ubala thmu ban ya kun ya ke election MDC sya GHADC na Shamnagar MDC constituency ha pedang kejing penbena ka council bagi baya kun kin hapan say ya ki sernot schedule tribe. Halor ketika jing penbena dau Conrad, uba Roy ku person ram u chairman ke CoMSO ubadeiru president ke Kynnoh Trap Youth Council HYC ulaong. Baka jing Pynsangeh ya ke election ke day baka sorkar ke Tieng ya ke Jingbitar ki Achik.
And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHDC today. Because he know the Achik people will not vote for the NPP in the GHDC election. That is why he has to take a decision to fool the Achik people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, my Achik brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of Pynsangeh. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been chased out of their house in Chibinang at night. Don't forget that the shops, that the houses have been burned down in Garo Hills belongs to your brothers and sisters. Remember this day, remember this time when you have that power to decide through your small little finger. My brothers and sisters, it is a call from your neutral brother. Don't be made to forget what has happened to you. You have been made to suffer in the last 50 years. Your leaders have led you, have just benefited from you. It is because of their doing that these people, the population of these people have grown with each year. As they have taken a decision not to allow them to settle in your land, in Garo Hills, will they find a place to settle? No. Will they find a place to work? No. Will they find a way to do this illegal activities, illegal stone quarrying in Garo Hills? No. It is because the people who are in power have a hand to play that these people are daring and they have been earning a lot of money. And now a time has come for them to show their true colors. My brothers and sisters, do not let this be another battle that you lose and you'll suffer for the next 50 years again. It is time that we chase away these Bangladeshis once and for all. It is time that we make us stand very clear to these politicians, to these leaders, that enough is enough. You have been made, you have benefited from us. We made you the chief minister. We made you the MLA. We made you the minister. What has you given back to us? Development. Roads, stadium, bridges, schools, colleges. What is the use of development and at what cost? Does development can be compared to being wiped out from our own land? Do we want to become another Tripura? Just because some government, some minister give us development, we forget that we are the owner of this land and we hand over this land to these illegal Bangladeshis. My brothers and sisters, this is the day that we will remember. And I want all of you, this message to go to all the brothers and sisters in Garo Hills and also our neutral brothers and sisters. We need to remember this, that if today these people are trying to snatch or to take away the land of the Achik people, tomorrow they will take away the land of the Nyotrep people. Ngakwa ban pun kan mau ya kini. Balada menta kini kibriu kila persyang ban kini ya ka Kynnoh ka siap ya ka hok long try ya ka hok halor ka sensyar ka khadar jong ki Kyrwoh pu Kyrwoh hills kan poiru ka por bakini ki joy kibriu kini ya ka hok long try halor ka Kynnoh ka siap halor ka sanhima sima jongi unyo trep ladang ngimlong ki bahusiar.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin, bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam, ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.